Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chantel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking on an impossible task. You can probably already tell by the title what I'm going to be doing, but I'm going to be cleaning out my makeup bag. Not even kidding, I probably wouldn't be doing this if I wasn't filming it because I hate cleaning out my makeup bag and I'm so sorry, this is disgusting, but I hate washing my makeup brushes. It's so time consuming and it's like no matter how much you clean, they're never actually clean. Even when I had the worst acne ever, I still would not clean my makeup brushes regularly. So I am gonna try to change that about myself, but it's a work in progress, okay? I won't really be in this video too much. It's gonna be mostly a time lapse and I'm gonna be watching my YouTube shows, watching Netflix, eating ice cream, and I'm just gonna show you guys like step by step how I do everything. And if you're nosy like I am, it will be a good opportunity to see like what kind of mess I have going on in there and what kind of products I have as well. The main issue I have in my makeup bag at this moment in time, other than dirty brushes, is my blush broke, so everything is covered in pink dust. When I pick up my eyebrow pencil every single day, my hands are covered in pink dust. It's been like that for a couple weeks now. It's time. Like, I need to get my life together and clean this thing. So we're gonna get started, and I'm just going to place you guys a little bit lower so you can see up close what I'm doing. And you can have this video on in the background. You'll see exactly how I clean my makeup brushes. There is something I wanted to buy online to clean it. It's like a little brush washing machine where you put your brushes in and it like does something to it. But I heard those damage your brushes, so I'm like a little bit on the fence. So for now, I'm gonna be doing it the old-fashioned way. Soap and water. Let's get to it. I look like a hot mess. Well guys, you would have just seen a clip of me packing my items back into the makeup box, which will actually be the day after because I washed everything, so it needs time to dry. But seriously, this entire, I'm gonna call it a project, took me 2 hours. You heard that right. 2 full hours to wash all my makeup brushes, wash the box, wipe all the pink dust off of every single item of makeup I have. But it's finally done, and I'm so happy I did it, and I will not be doing it for a very long time. Well guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. I really do hope that you enjoyed it. I did not enjoy this one. I'll have to put that out there. Anyways, please remember to like this video. Feel free to leave your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe so that next time I post a video, you'll be the first one to see it. Bye guys.